Hello, hello. Before we get started, I wanted to thank each and every one of you, my early child care owners and operators, for taking the time out to one, inquire about my trainings that I'm offering, and then, of course, taking the time out of your day to actually watch this presentation and choose a package so that we could go ahead and get started. So let's get into this. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Priscilla. I love working in this industry. I've been working in this industry for over 15 years. Originally, I'm from Chicago, and then I moved to Atlanta, Georgia. I've been here in Georgia for about 12 years. So I guess I can say I'm from Atlanta now instead of Chicago. I don't know. That's debatable. But anyway, my desire is to help bring out the quality or improve the quality in our programs. Again, I've been in this industry for a long time now. I've seen the changes, and I think a lot of that comes because we don't do enough in person trainings. We don't, as daycare owners and directors, we don't really pour into our staff. And then everything is so accessible digitally now, we're losing touch of the power of hands on. So I want to bring that back. A little bit about my background. I have a bachelor's in early child care education. I have my TCC. I have a director certificate, first year PLC facilitator certificate. I'm a PD specialist, a CDA trainer. That course is coming soon. And then I'm also a CPR instructor. My experience, as I said, I've been in this industry over 15 years. 10 of those years include me being a director. I was also a director of a multi site center. Um, and then that also includes me being a director of a 24-hour childcare center. So I've seen it all. I've been in almost every position in childcare, from being an assistant to being an executive director. I was everything except for an owner, and that's because I didn't have the desire to do so. Um, and then I branched off once I stopped being in the center. I branched off and I started my company, Scaffold Enterprises, which is a virtual assistance, a early childcare virtual assistance firm. So I provide virtual services to early child care owners and directors. So, the different packages that we have for the PD trainings, we have the basic PD package, which is 5 trainings. You'll choose the dates that you want me to come, once a month, twice a month, whatever. But those trainings are 2 hours each, and it'll be up to 10 hours. And as far as the participants, that will service up to 20 participants. And the price for that is basically 12.50, but if you do it as a package, you get a discount, so it'll be 11.50. The next package is my full PD year package. That's 10 trainings for 20 hours. That's 10 separate 2-hour trainings. The regular price is 2,500. With the package is 2,200. And you'll also get 2 bonus trainings with that as well. And then we have a smaller package, which is 3 2-hour trainings. The regular price is 750. The package price is 675. The different trainings that we're offering for the teachers in classroom is early literacy, building readers from birth, classroom management, positive guidance in action, literacy rich classrooms on any budget, assessment and portfolios made easy. With that training, you'll also get a copy of the current ASQ assessment package. Building social skills through intentional teaching, trauma informed care in early child care or early childhood. I'm sorry. Understanding milestones, ages and stages. Transition with intentions, being calm, consistent, and creative. Building relationships through circle time. Supporting children with special needs. Challenging behaviors, finding a root, not the reaction. Safe classrooms, daily routines that prevent injury. Lesson planning with a purpose. Toddler tantrums and emotions. From drop off to pick up, daily family communication strategies. Connecting home and school, learning beyond the classroom. Professionalism in ECE, more than just a dress code. Time management in classrooms. And then we have some fun, interactive. Well, all of it is going to be fun and hands on, but we have some game style trainings as well, which is a ECE Jeopardy, and that's a fun review of best practices. And then ECE Health and Safety, Know Your Environment. So that's like a scavenger hunt and interactive games as well. And then for the admins, we are offering team building for childcare staff, leadership styles in ECE, finding your voice, creating a staff culture of accountability and appreciation, managing burnout, leading through wellness, preparing for licensing and quality assurance visits, and tour training, turning visitors into enrollments. Trainings will start in September. And if you sign up your center today or by July 18th, you'll pay a 10% deposit. And of course, that deposit will be applied to your remaining balance, but you will also get $200 off your basic PD or full year PD packages. Limited space is available. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Spanish instruction is available as well. And we do have payment plans. We can pay in four, we can set that up. So, again, thank you for taking the time out to listen to this, and hopefully it'll make your decision easier to go ahead and get signed up and get ready for this upcoming academic school year. Let's start these teachers off on the right foot. Let's set them up for success. Let's set your center up for success. It's been proven that you pour into your staff, the better equipped your staff is, the better they're going to be prepared, and the better they're going to handle the different situations that come along with being in the center. I also believe this will also help you with retention, retaining your teachers, in turn retaining your parents and your families. So yeah, thank you. Have a good night.